Welcome to the next video tutorial of Spring and Hibernate. Spring dependency injection, write some code part 3. So here, come to the hello spring app.java. So just double click on this to expand this section. And here what happens, whenever we get the object from the Spring factory, it is fully assembled. Okay, so what we are going to do now, it is we are going to use the method that we have um, in the coach, that is it is providing fortunes also. Let us use the new method. Let's call the new method for the fortune. Okay. SYSO control space, you'll be getting the entire statement. So here the coach dot get daily fortune. You can save it, double click to get the window project explorer view. Now go to the, so now just right click and try to run this, run as Java application. So what is the output we are getting here? So along with the daily workout, we need to get the fortune, daily fortune. So spend 30 minutes practicing in batting cage, and today is your lucky day. So that is what we are getting now. um, how can I do the same for track coach? Instead of using baseball coach, I want to use the track coach. So simple, what we have done in the previous section, like to define a private field for the dependency. So private fortune service, fortune service. Now what we are going to do is just right click on somewhere in the blank space and go to source, and here select generate constructor using fields. You need to choose this, so we will be automatically generating the constructor using the fields what we have defined in the track coach. So click on this option, and you'll be asking for to check what is the which um, you know dependency, like which field to initialize. So here we are selecting fortune service, and you can click on generate, and you can remove this super statement, and now you can remove this also. Just save it, and come to string get a daily fortune method that we have in trackcoach.java, and you can just int just do it, adding fortune service dot get daily for get fortune. Okay, so save it. So now come to the my app Java. Here, there is no argument constructor in the track coach class. In the track coach class, there is no argument constructor. So we need to develop no argument constructor here to avoid that error for now. So public track coach, just a no argument constructor for avoiding that error. And come to the configuration file. Here we are replacing the baseball coach with the track coach dot track coach. Save it and come to the low spring app, right click and run as Java application. So watch the output. So we are getting null pointer exception. Here come to the method in the hello spring app. So I'm calling it daily fortune and in the track coach what is happening. Fortune service dot get fortune, fortune service dot get fortune. Mm, Return, just do it and get fortune. So null pointer exception we are getting. So in the line number 21 we are getting the error get fortune. Just do it plus fortune service dot get fortune in the my app. So okay, and track coach. Here we have the no argument constructor track coach and see. Then in the context track coach my fortune. Okay, get a daily fortune. Hello spring app 19. Hello spring app the coach get a daily fortune. Okay, and so happy fortune coach fortune service. Mm, 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 mm. Just do it. We remove it. Save it. Right click run as. Wow, okay. Um, Hello Spring app. Click run as the Java application. So we are still getting the exception. Track code 21. 21. Get telephone shown and okay, there was a problem in the constructor variable. It was like this, and if I do like this, and we'll get null pointer exception. Run as here, go to hello spring and right click run as Java application. So what we are getting, we get the null pointer exception. So for that, go to track coach and here what I'm doing, this making use of this dot fortune service is equal to fortune service. Now I'm just adding one string here just to do it. Save it and go to the hello spring app and right click run as Java application. So we are getting the output now. Just do it. Today is your lucky day. Let me correct this output, like for readability, save this. And what we have done here, it is earlier it was confused between which fortune service it has to use. That is why we were getting the null pointer exception. So to avoid the confusion, you can just include a different name. So here the fortune service, and this is optional. This dot fortune service now it is optional. Save it. We can remove this and save it and go to the hello spring app and right click run as Java application, and you will be getting the same output. Just do it. Today is your lucky day. Even if you are keeping this also, the same output, this dot fortune service is equal to the fortune service. So go to the hello spring app, right click run as Java application. You'll be getting the same output. So run a hard 5k and just do it. Today is your lucky day. So this is it for the constructor injection, for dependency injection. So from the next video tutorial we'll be seeing the setter injection. Okay, thank you.